Welcome to the Department of Psychology, where you'll gain the real-world knowledge and critical thinking skills needed to succeed in a wide variety of career options. While psychology is a diverse field of study, the heart of our program maintains a single focus: understanding individuals. Have you always been curious about the world around you? Your inquisitive nature is a perfect first step into the world of psychology, which looks at the social processes that influence the thoughts and behaviors of those around you. Our undergraduate program offers 2 degree plan options and a wide array of courses, so that you can tailor your degree plan to fit your future goals and study the aspects of human nature that interest you most. You also have the option of completing your degree on campus or totally online. At Angelo State, learning goes beyond the classroom. Thanks to our cutting-edge research facilities dedicated to social psychology, neuroscience, cognition, and developmental behavior, you'll learn to apply psychological principles in the Social Perception Lab, and our Industrial Organizational Psychology Lab provides closed-circuit behavioral observation. Our students have completed projects addressing issues of perception, human performance and error management, and the possibilities are endless for our future researchers. We also encourage you to connect with your fellow students and offer social and professional networking events throughout the year. There are also many opportunities to work side by side with our award-winning faculty, offering fresh insights and gaining practical research experience. Your results could even be published in our ASU Social Sciences Research Journal, which showcases outstanding student efforts. This type of research is excellent practice if you decide to attend graduate school, and our department offers a variety of nationally recognized master's degree programs to choose from. You also have the option of earning additional certificate credentials that look great on your resume without having to take extra classes. Just complete specific 4-course blocks within your undergraduate degree plan to earn a certificate. Earning 1 or more certificates can give you an advantage when pursuing your professional and educational goals after graduation. What's next after earning a degree in psychology from Angelo State? The sky is the limit. You'll complete our program proficient in leadership and teamwork, experienced in theory and research applications, and possessing crucial communication skills. These are just a few of the many strengths that will enhance your career options in counseling, business, medicine, education, law, and countless other professional fields. Your ASU psychology degree is your ticket to explore all the opportunities. Still curious? Keep exploring our website or talk to an admissions counselor today. We can't wait to welcome you to the RAM family.